See a baby yet. I expect to see just hopefully a little sac in your uterus. And I'm seeing exactly that. This is the uterus. This is the gestational sac. I think it might be a good one. This right here is the yolk sac. That's what nourishes the pregnancy until the placenta takes over. And then if you look really carefully, I feel like there might be a little faint, very faint flicker in there, but I could be wrong.
I see it.
Yeah, there's just something there. Not enough that we can hear it yet. It's way too early. But it's exactly, I didn't expect to see any flicker at all, to be honest, based on your last menstrual period date. But